there. Thanks so much for checking in. If you don't know me, you don't know what I'm about to say, but let me start out with introducing myself. My name is Tracy Hyde. I am currently a leader with 31 for about 9 more days. Uh, and I'm here just to say hello and update everybody. I went like supersonic quiet, if I can use that phrase, when 31 announced that they were closing their doors on December 15th. It is still very, very hard for me to accept. I will go with that. Still in my grieving process. Over the whole thing, as you can see, my room is full. Like, it's scattered. It's starting to thin out a little bit of 31, and because I'm a 31 girl at heart. I will, even long after 31 closes, I will forever be a 31 girl. So if you ever want to talk about 31 and all the beautiful things that they haven't had and all the things, I'm your girl. But how about I update you on a new business that I've decided to jump into. That sounds like fun, right? All right, I'm so glad you stuck around. Let's do this. Okay, so Java Mama, where are my coffee peeps right now? Where are you? I know you're all over the place. We spend a ridiculous amount of money at places like Starbucks and Big B and Dunkin' and all of those kind of things. And what if I told you you could try to save a little bit by bringing at least a little of that into your own home, right? So Java Mama, fantastic little organization that has whole bean, bags. Also, it's already bagged and ground, or you can get whole bean if you want. Then they also have the single serve pods that we love to use, like in our Keurigs and our Hamilton Beach, I think, is another one, and then like the Nespresso, whatever, all of those things, right? That you can it's just one cup of coffee and off we go, and we're doing well, right? Or 2 cups of coffee. I mean, yeah. Okay, so they have coffee in regular and decaf. They have teas. They have tea lattes. There are so many really, really neat things, and I'm super excited. Plus these hysterical, oh my gosh, names for their beverages. There's a tea called Calm the Flock Down, and it's got a bunch of flamingos on it. I'm like, stop. There are mugs, and oh my goodness, like there's a mug of the month every month. You can subscribe so you never run out of coffee. You find your favorite flavor or a couple of favorite flavors, and you can save when you subscribe, and it comes to you monthly. And then you never run out of your favorite coffee, right? How awesome is that? There's so much more for me to share with you, and I would love if you would come along with me. The name of my channel will be changing, and my VIP group on Facebook is as well. So I know that you are going to want to stick around. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down there. Stick with us. We're going to have a ball. Yes, the scenery will change. It'll be less 31 stuff, but we're still going to have a good old time. And I'm not lying when I tell you, when you start reading on some of these mugs, there's some holiday mugs that were cracking me up. Is like, Santa, how much do you really know? Most likely to spike the eggnog, open a present early, whatever, like super cute stuff. So many neat things. Like, I just chuckle when I'm looking at these. I can't help it. I have that kind of sense of humor. I hope that you do too, and I hope you'll stick around. Thanks for popping in with me just for a couple minutes. I hope you'll follow me if you don't already. Share with a friend who loves coffee who might need to check this out. And go on over to my Facebook, my VIP group on Facebook. I'll put the link where you can check it all out below. Okay? Thanks so much. I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.